I'm not sure if you can see what's behind me, but today we are talking about nail polish and I'm so excited. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it's so nice to see you again. Today I wanted to come on and talk about my nail polishes and some experiences that I've had, and I thought it'd just be a fun video. I would go to the spa every other week to have my nails done, but then the pandemic hit and I just thought, I'm gonna do them from home. Now I actually got a gel nail lamp for Christmas last year, gifted to me by my mom, and when I used it, it just like went poof. It overheated, the bulbs went, I don't know what happened, and then we went in a pandemic, so everything was sold out for a long time, and I just decided I'm just going to stick to using some polishes. So today I thought I would talk about the nail polishes that I would recommend, the ones I wouldn't, the ones I would skip. So let's get into that. So the first thing I want to mention is the Essie top and base coat. I don't have that anymore because that was not good. That was really, really not good. It would not work well as a top coat, and it would not work well as a base coat. It wouldn't dry down properly. My nails would always have like really, really weird lines in them. The nail polish would come off like within a day. It was not a good product. This is the Revlon Extra Life No Chip Top Coat. I don't have a base coat because nail polish can get expensive, but that's okay because I will go out and get one. But this here is an amazing top coat. If you need a good top coat that dries fast, that keeps your nail polish on, that gives them a nice shine, that helps with the longevity and non-chipping, this is a really, really nice way to go. I can put this on, a really nice coat of it. My nails will look really, really nice and shiny. Not just that, it'll last for a long time. So I want to talk about my oldest nail polish, which is the, I believe it's called Orly, O-R-L-Y. Now this is a nail lacquer and I love this. I got it from Sally Beauty and I love how the top of it here is like a rubber. And this is just a stunning color and I love the actual brush on it. You get quite a bit of product. This is so good. The color is nice. It has really, really nice sparkle in it. It lasts a really, really long time. This one here is probably the one that lasts the longest out of all of my collection. So I would highly, highly recommend checking out Orly for them. I actually did a dedicated review on this nail polish a long time ago, and I still love it to this day. I would go to Sally Beauty and pick up more because of how much I like it and I use it. The next one here is from Rimmel London. This is the Lasting Finish Pro up to 10 days. You don't get 10 days with this. I don't. If you do, that is great. And I wish it lasted me 10 days, but it just doesn't. Now, I really love the color, and I absolutely, well, I should say the color. This one is 380 Red Rock. I love the color, but it's something that I do have to reapply after probably about 3 or 4 days. It's not one that will last me a long time. I do need to reapply it, touch it up, and I don't mind that. I don't mind after a week touching up my nail polish because I enjoy that. But it doesn't last me a week. I don't get a week out of this. However, the color is stunning. The formula is really, really nice, but it's not something that is super long lasting. Like the Orly one lasts a long time. I was trying to wear this so that I could finish it, but I got so tired of it. So I tried doing that. It didn't work. So now I know I am not someone that can just stick to one nail polish and try and use it up. Maybe I could do like a month of one color and a month of another, but I'm not someone who can stick to one nail polish a month. Let's talk about two from Essie. I like Essie's nail polishes. The 2-in-1 top and base coat, no, but these, yes. Essie I find is a little bit more expensive, but I find that they last a really, really long time. The brushes on them are pretty nice. I do like them. They're not like my favorite brushes, but they are pretty good. I love how Essie has so many colors. And I also like this one here is a purple. This is in the shade Winning Streak. And this one here is in Congrats. This is like a sparkly type of nail polish, but it's almost like a top coat. So if you want to put like a nice purple underneath and have like the shimmer, that's a nice way to do it. I love this one. I love it. I like Essie's nail polishes. They last a long time. You can touch them up easy. And I feel like these are definitely like my more go-to nail polishes out of everything. There's just something about the Essie ones that I seem to always gravitate towards and get. I don't know if it's because they're easy to touch up, they last a long time, the bottles, the colors, the feel. I feel like that's what it is for me. But every single time that I've had an Essie nail polish, I've loved it. So these here for me are definitely like my most favorite ones. But let's get into some others that are pretty good as well. So these ones here are from Sally Hansen, and they're all the Hardest Nails Extreme Wear. Now I have this one here, which is in Babe Blue. This one is my least favorite color. I have thought about decluttering it for a while. Maybe what I'll do is I'll actually try and use this one for a month and see how I like it. And if I still don't, I can declutter it. But I have Red Carpet, which is lovely. It has really, really nice sparkles. I also have the Mauve Over, which is what I'm wearing today. And I also have the Coral Reef. These are amazing. You put 2 coats on, you're good to go. They're not the most pigmented right off the bat, but you put 2 coats on, and you're good to go. They last a long time. They're really good at lasting a long time. They dry down so quickly, I find, and I really like them because they're really, really affordable, and I feel like for the most part, all the colors work really well, except for this one for some reason. I don't know why. I'm gonna have to give it a shot. I'm gonna put it here. Any type of like makeup that I'm trying to like finish up and use, I put there. So the next time I do my nails, I'm going to use that one, and I will update you guys in my October empties on if this one is working for me or not. I feel like with Sally Hansen, you can get some really, really good colors. They last a long time, they dry down quickly, and I absolutely love them. And they also make really good gifts as well. The last one we're gonna talk about is actually like a gel type of nail polish. And this is from Essence. It's their Shine, Last, and Go gel nail polish. And these I love. I want to get more colors because I really, really enjoy them. I love gel nails. I am a sucker for having my nails done, having them painted, having them look good, and I just love the look of gel. And this here is a nail polish that you can use, and you don't even need to use a lamp. This formula is nice and thick and creamy, and you don't need to use a lot of it. And I feel like this one, it does take a little bit longer to dry down. Like, it says quick dry, and it is a quick dry, but because it's a little bit more thicker of a formula than your regular nail polish, you do need to let it dry a little bit longer than those, I find personally, but I love this. If you want a quick gel nail manicure, get these, because it's so easy, it's so simple, they're so affordable, they have so many colors, and they're so fun. So this is definitely a go-to. So those are all of my nail polishes. I really, really wanted to sit down and talk about them. It's actually been like 3 years since I talked about nail polishes on my channel, and I just felt like it today. Let me know in the comments down below the nail polishes that you use. Make sure to go and hit that subscribe button down below because I do post lots of videos here on my channel. And if you enjoyed, make sure to give this a thumbs up. You can go follow me on my social medias. They're in the description down below, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.